In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to share your Zap on Zapier. Whether you're collaborating with team members, sharing your automation with friends, or simply showcasing your process, sharing a Zap is incredibly straightforward. Let's dive right in and take you through the steps. Once you've logged into your Zapier account and are in the Zap you wish to share, your first move is to head to the top of the page. Here, you will notice the name of your project displayed prominently. By clicking on this project name, you're opening the doorway to several options, paving the path to sharing your automated workflow. Now that you've clicked on your project name, the next step brings us to an essential feature. It's time to create a template. You'll want to spot the Create Template button. It's usually handily located within the drop-down settings. Click on it to initiate the process of transforming your Zap into a shareable template. Think of this like preparing a document for sharing. You're giving your automation a neat, portable format that's easy to send to others. As you work on creating this template, you'll have the opportunity to fine-tune a couple of details to ensure your Zap is as informative and useful as possible. This is your chance to edit your Zap's title and description. Don't skip this part. Giving your Zap a clear title and a concise, helpful description not only assists in communicating its purpose, but also adds a professional touch. Remember, the description should succinctly convey what your Zap does and why it might be valuable for anyone you're sharing it with. Once you're satisfied with how everything looks, the next step is straightforward. Look for the Share button. This is your golden ticket to distributing your hard work. By clicking this button, you finalize the creation of your shareable template. This is the moment where your Zap is transformed from a personal tool into a communal resource that others can tap into. After hitting that Share button, Zapier works its magic behind the scenes and provides you with a Zap URL. This URL is your key. You can copy this link and distribute it however you see fit. Whether that means pasting it into an email, sending it over a messaging app, or embedding it into a presentation, the link ensures your Zap is just a click away for anyone who receives it. And there you have it. You've successfully shared your Zap as a template. With just a few simple steps, you've extended your automation capabilities beyond your own use and into your broader network. Enjoy experimenting with different ways to integrate these templates into your projects, and watch how efficiently work gets done when everyone's on board with your automated flows.